Today I'm doing the 2015 14 Lexus es300. We'll be doing the rotor resurface action, not changing it but just doing resurface because it's still pretty decent. The reason I'm doing because when you're braking it's vibrate, you know, when you're braking hard vibrate, so it's not vibrate like ABS kicking. It vibrate, you know, like the whole car is vibrate like that. You can feel like it, you know, falling apart. So I know that the rotor is not straight. It probably have a like a hump, you know. You have to take this two bolt right here out and pull the caliper out of the way, okay? And this is a 17 right here. The one up here. And get this hook to hook this caliper so it won't stress your brake line, okay? Put it like that. Using this to hammer it. Spray a little bit loop onto it so it will clean out all the rust right here. There, got rusted, that's why. Alright, now the rotor is been laid, so I'll put it back in. The brake pad's still good, but you know I have to change into the new one because when you lay, you don't want to reuse the old one because it's already worn out, you know, so you don't want to reuse it, so I had to change a new one, okay? Alright, let's change the brake. That is 14. It's a new one, and this old one. This is OEM from Lexus. This is aftermarket from AutoZone, so it's not that good, but it's okay. They too expensive at the dealership. Okay. There's a return pin right here. Lock it in. I need to push my piston off here first. Okay. Very simple to do brake for the Toyota. Any Toyota, they very much do the same things right what you see here. It doesn't matter what kind of Toyota, but they should be the same. This kind of turns, so I'm going to use this to hold it. So I can tighten this right here. Okay, that's it. So it has some oil right there. So I'm going to clean it with the brake cleaner. Okay, make sure there's no oils in the rotor, so it won't get slick when you stop. Okay, so it's done for the brake and rotor, and put the tires on. You should know how to do so. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more video. Thank you.